The Hoover Dam is a breathtaking marvel of engineering, and it's been standing for nearly 100 years. But after all this time, even this grand structure requires some TLC. My name is Greg Whitman, and I'm from Spuncast Centrifugal Foundry, and today I'd like to take a look at this ambitious restoration project and tell you how Spuncast and our team here got involved in the project. Now, over 40 million people rely on the power generated by this dam, and that's why the Bureau of Reclamation has decided to invest over 5 years and $8.3 billion in its stability. At the heart of this monumental restoration project are the 4 intake towers. Now, these towers control the water flow coming into the dam, which harnesses the power of the Colorado River, turning it into electricity. One of the project's most formidable challenges is the gate system and the stems inside the gate system, which are each made up of over 1,600 feet of steel tubing. To tackle this, a manufacturer was required that could work with non-standard size tubing in various different lengths. And the solution, of course, is centrifugal casting. With its flexibility in both tube size and alloy variation, made it a natural choice. That's when Spuncast and our team here joined the team. It was a perfect fit. With 1 year now complete and the first tower successfully repaired, we look forward to the next years in the final 3 towers and continued sustainability. Our continued contribution to this project and others like it really underscores our team's commitment to excellence, and it's something we're very proud of here at Spuncast. If you'd like to learn more about the restoration project at the Hoover Dam or Spuncast's involvement in the project, please take a look at the link below.